Now look at here that, and you will become astonished, and you will be wonder that what is the percentage, or what is the proportion of profit that will be distributed. And it is very surprising that Islamic Bank share at this level 0.00001%. At second level, Islamic Bank agrees to take 0.00001% from the remaining profit, and client's share would be 99.99999%. So they say that, look at here, Excel says that it is 100%. Oh my God. Okay. Now, this 7 million will be distributed at second level. The remaining profit will be distributed according to this percent profit share, where we will say that client seems very happy with this percentage rates. Client is very happy. It is, you can say that this is the Eid for the client. Okay. Now, into 7.1 and into, okay. Now look at here. You will say that when you will find out that here this is just 1 rupee. Islamic Bank profit share in this remaining profit 7.12 million. Islamic Bank earned only 1 rupee, and you can say that again 7.2 million complete profit will be given to the client, into the client pocket. 7.12 million rupee, and here just this is 1 rupee will be given to the Islamic Bank, and Islamic Bank submit its agreement. Now look at it. Total profit earned by Islamic Bank that is, you can say just this one, Islamic Bank share 7.28 million, and client earned 5.6 million plus 7.2 million. 12 million is earned by the client out of total 20 million. Okay, let's check that what was the total investment of Islamic Bank. You will see that that was 52 million. What was the total investment by client? 40 million. Now look, the party who invest more obtained less, and the party who invest less earned more. So this is the second level of profit. So this is known as running musharakah. So this is the structure of running musharakah. भले भी स्लीपिंग पार्टनर हो, आपने कभी ये कहानी सुनी है कि एक पार्टनर कहे मुझे 7 मिलियन में से 1 रुपया दे दें और बाकी आप रख लें? असल कहानी यही है कि बैंक इस पर राजी क्यों होता है. Why बैंक, Islamic bank gives its consent? This is the main question. The Islamic bank manager says Islamic bank is concerned just with its profit equal to the KIBOR rate, and it has earned at the first level, and that is 7.28 million. Now they don't bother that what the client is going to earn, whether he is eating a lot of money. They say we don't bother because we have earned equal to the KIBOR rate. And why they are going to give this whole remaining profit to the client, which is, look at here, which is round about equal to their profit share. Look at here, this is 7 and this is 7. And practically, usually the remaining profit is more than this, the profit rate. ये round about 15-16 होता है, या example हमने छोटी ली है. Why Islamic bank take this bold decision? Because this money is not Islamic banking own money. This is money of depositors. ये depositors का पैसा है. माल मुफ्त दिले बेरहम जिसको आप कहते हैं. Islamic bank earned this profit, and what will do, Islamic will deduct its own share as a mudarib, and remaining profit will be distributed to the depositors who are the real investors and who are owner of the capital, and they will be given very less profits. जिनका पैसा ये 52 million 7 depositors का पैसा था, उन बेचारों का पैसा ज्यादा था, अर्निंग उनकी थी, लेकिन उसको खा कौन गया? एक कारपोरेट क्लाइंट जो पहले से ज्यादा अमीर ज्यादा था, जो एलीट क्लास थी, जो रिच था. यानी इस्लाम कहता है कि आपकी दौलत जो है, योर वेल्थ मस्ट बी सर्कुलेटेड इन द हैंड्स, बट अगेन दिस रनिंग मुशारका इज causing concentration of wealth into the few hands of corporate clients. The depositors' money, depositors were investing more, but they were lessing, they are earning equal to nothing, looking at the total profit. And all profit is being earned by the corporate client, as it is being done by conventional sector, overdraft facility, running finance. जिनका पैसा होता है उन बेचारों को कतरे ड्रॉप्स मिलते हैं, और सारी पानी को बोतल कौन पी जाता है? वो दूसरे पी जाते हैं. So this is running musharakah. Now, it would be easy here. However, profit distribution mechanism is decided in a way that at first level, profit will be distributed according to their investment shares up to the amount equal to KIBOR, say 14% to total musharakah investment from unearned total future profit. At second level, remaining profit will be distributed according to pre-agreed ratio of 0.00001% and 19 point between Islamic Bank and Khalid, respectively. Islamic Bank, let's assume, Islamic Bank approves an amount of, let's say, 120 million under the running musharakah facility and credits its Khalid account. Now running musharakah starts and Khalid withdraws different amounts at different intervals on the basis of as and when needed basis. At the end of the running musharakah, total withdrawal by Khalid from the sanctioned limit by Islamic Bank is calculated. आखिर में जाकर रनिंग मुशारका की टोटल अमाउंट कैलकुलेट की जाती है कि हम भी कितने निकलवाए इसने, how much money he has withdrawn. For example, his total withdrawal reaches to 100 million. This 100 million is considered Islamic Bank's investment share in running musharakah. At this stage, corporate client presents all his business details to determine his capital share in joint business, and it is found that his capital share is 40 million. Suppose business net profit is earned 30 million. So after calculation, it becomes clear that total investment of joint business is 140 million. Islamic Bank's investment share is 71% and Khalid's investment share is 29%. So as per agreed, profit ceiling will be calculated. और जिस तरह हमने profit ceiling calculate की थी, 40% of total investment, which is known as 19.6 million. अब ये आ गया ceiling profit. अब ये profit ceiling total profit से deduct करके तकसीम किया जाएगा according to their investment share. और वो investment share क्या है उनके? 71% इस्लामिक बैंक का, खालिद का 29%. तो ये 19.6 मिलियन उनके इन्वेस्टमेंट शेयर के हिसाब से तकसीम किया जाएगा और 30 में से बाकी जितना बचेगा और हेंस 13.92 मिलियन ये बाकी बचा था. सॉरी ये नहीं बाकी बचा, हाँ ये है. Whereas profit over ceiling profit, which is 30 minus 19.6, and that is 10.4 million, will be distributed according to predetermined ratio 0.0001% and 19.9999% when between Islamic Bank and Khalid respectively as per agreement. Therefore, Islamic Bank will take 0.0001% of 10 million, and that is known as 1.04 rupee only from 10 million. यानी इस्लामिक बैंक को 10 मिलियन रुपए में से सिर्फ 1 रुपए 4 पैसे मिले. अब खुद देख लें कि खालिद जिसने कम इन्वेस्ट किया था उसने 30 मिलियन में 15 मिलियन उसको मिल गए थे और जिसकी इन्वेस्टमेंट भी 29% थी और जिसकी इन्वेस्टमेंट 70% थी उसने 13 मिलियन लिए और वो खामोश हो गया. उसका खामोश होने की वजह क्या थी? क्योंकि उसका अपना पैसा तो था नहीं, पैसा तो डिपॉजिटर्स का था. उसने अपना क्लाइंट पक्का करना था और वो क्लाइंट पक्का हो गया. After that, Islamic Bank will take its own profit from 13.92 million. Islamic Bank अभी अपने इसमें से हिस्सा काटेगा, बाकी जो बचेगा वो डिपॉजिटर्स को दिया जाएगा. This is the exploitation of depositors.